Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best garlic press is probably one of the most essential kitchen tools for anyone who loves to cook with fresh garlic. But let's be honest, traditional garlic presses can be a real pain to clean, leaving you with sticky residue and wasted time. That's why we're diving deep into the world of the Easy Clean Garlic Press, a revolutionary gadget designed to make your culinary prep faster, more efficient, and most importantly, incredibly simple to maintain, ensuring you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Garlic Press. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press, designed for ultimate ease. Its sturdy construction ensures it will be a kitchen staple for years to come. No need to peel your garlic first. This tool easily crushes unpeeled cloves, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Experience superior comfort with its soft, non-slip handles. They absorb pressure, making squeezing effortless even for multiple cloves. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the built-in cleaner. It efficiently pushes out garlic peels, keeping your hands clean. Crafted from durable die-cast zinc, this press is built to last. Plus, it's completely dishwasher safe for your convenience. What we like? This one is built to last with its sturdy, die-cast zinc construction. It also features a built-in cleaner to push out garlic peels effortlessly. If you're looking for a durable press that simplifies cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say. This garlic press is easy to clean. It works well for mincing garlic. The design is user-friendly and efficient. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Introducing the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set, designed for ultimate convenience in your kitchen. It's built to last, becoming a go-to gadget for years. No more sticky hands or lingering odors. This tool allows you to crush and mince unpeeled cloves effortlessly, yielding delicious garlic paste while keeping peels contained. Its comfortable, ergonomic handle requires minimal effort, making it easy on your wrists and hands. Enjoy perfect results with every use. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse it under running water or pop it in the dishwasher. For best results, rinse immediately after use. We're confident in its quality, offering a lifetime warranty. Experience incredible value and a tool you'll love for its durability and performance. What we like? This premium garlic press is constructed from rust-resistant materials and designed with built-in studs for efficient mincing. It comes with a silicone peeler and brush, plus a lifetime warranty. If you want a reliable tool that's easy on your hands and backed by a guarantee, consider this option. What people say. It's very easy to clean. It is easy to use and the garlic comes out in pieces. It is a good garlic press. Number 3. Alpha Griller Stainless Steel Garlic Press. Introducing our professional garlic crusher, designed for effortless crushing of garlic cloves. Its robust design saves you time and effort, making meal prep quick and hassle-free. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, and the large chamber flips out for easy cleaning. This garlic crusher is a must-have for any new kitchen. It simplifies your cooking process, making it perfect for housewarming gifts or upgrading your kitchen arsenal. This multifunctional tool works wonders as a ginger press and can even crush nuts. Make the most out of this versatile kitchen essential with the included instructions. Easily remove garlic skins in seconds without the mess with the included handy silicone garlic peeler. It's durable, easy to clean, and a perfect companion to your garlic press. What we like? Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this garlic press is built for durability and effortless crushing. It even comes with a handy silicone garlic peeler. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle garlic, ginger, and even nuts, this is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. What people say. It is easy to clean. It is easy to use. Number 2. Gourmet Easy Lifetime Replacement Garlic Press. Tired of peeling garlic? This innovative tool crushes unpeeled cloves effortlessly, separating the skin for you. Enjoy fresh garlic with less mess and faster meal prep. Achieve finely minced garlic with ease thanks to the round hole plate. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making pressing quicker and requiring less effort. Cleaning is a breeze with its detachable design, free from hard-to-reach crevices. Simply rinse or pop it in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, it offers lasting strength and reliable performance. It's built for everyday use with rust-resistant durability. Make meal prep faster and easier with this essential kitchen gadget. It's a practical gift for any home cook, backed by a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This garlic press allows you to crush unpeeled cloves, separating the skin from the minced garlic for a mess-free experience. Its detachable design makes cleaning a breeze. If you prioritize speed and minimal mess in your meal prep, this is the one for you. What people say. It is easy to use and clean. It works really well. Number 1. Garlic Twister 4th Gen Garlic Mincer and Press. Introducing the Garlic Twister 4th Gen, your all-in-one kitchen companion. It effortlessly minces garlic, ginger, herbs, nuts, and more, making meal prep a breeze. Simply smash your garlic clove to loosen the skin, making peeling incredibly easy. This simple step softens the clove, ensuring effortless twisting every time. Place your ingredients inside and twist side to side to create perfect triangles for easy cleanup. In seconds, you'll have finely minced bits bursting with flavor. Beyond garlic, it's also perfect for grating ginger and grinding nuts. You can even chop fresh herbs like basil and rosemary, eliminating the need for messy presses. Crafted with premium, BPA-free materials and proudly made in the USA. This patented design is backed by a lifetime guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This innovative tool is more than just a garlic press. It can also mince ginger, herbs, and nuts. The unique twist action loosens the skin and creates finely minced bits in seconds. If you enjoy experimenting with different flavors and want a single tool for multiple tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The garlic press is easy to clean. It works well and is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.